You could take the first paper. I know that you take already. You have received that paper. Again, I will tell you that if you not taken the paper right now, you could download it from the description box. Okay, I have uploaded the this link of the paper. Okay, let's do the first question. I do believe that you done the paper. Already you done the paper, and the first question was some questions were wrong. I will mention you while I am doing the paper. The first question was 7, 9, 11, 13. You need to find the common difference. Have you taken the common difference? If you taken the common difference, you could send it to me. You could use the chat box. Have you taken the common difference? It was in the paper mentioning that common differences. That's wrong. Okay, common difference. Common difference. What's the common difference of the number pattern? Yes, common difference. Common difference of the number pattern. Yes, what's the common difference? Common difference is, 9 minus 7, which is 2, or 11 minus 9, which is 2, 13 minus 11, 2. Do not want to write all these, okay, I could see your answer. Don't want to write all these things. This is okay, yeah? 9 minus 7, common difference is 2, yes. Okay, what's the second question? Second question was, it has given the n term of a distribution. It has given the n term of a distribution. N term of a distribution. Okay, the n term is Tn equals to 2n minus 1. 2n minus 1. Tn equals 2n minus 1. You need to find the, wait. Tn equals 2n minus 1. 2n minus 1. You need to find the 20th term. What is the 20th term? Yes. What is the 20th term? Yes, I could see that you send the answer. Your answer. It's okay. What is the 20th term? 20th term is, you could substitute that n equals 20. So 2 into 20 minus 1. 2 into 20 is 40. 40 minus 1 is 39. I think that you taken this answer. If you want to get the, yes, I could see your answers. Okay, then if you want to get the 20th term, you need to substitute that n equals 20. If you want to get the 5th term, you need to substitute that n equals 5. If you want to get the 7th term, you need to substitute that n equals 7 here. Okay, we have been given the n term, which is Tn equals 2n minus 1. Let's do the third question. What is the third question? Yes, third question. Definitely you will be able to see in your test paper these types of questions. Okay, definitely these types of questions you will be able to see in your test paper. Then let's do the third question. The third question is 51. 51. This is the, here base is 10. Base is 10. In this here the base is 10. You need to write this base into a, you need to convert this base into base as a binary number, which is into base 2. You need to write, you have to write this 51 as a binary number. Have you written it? If you written it, send me your answer. Have you taken the answer of this one? Have you written that 51 to base 10 as a binary number? Have you written it? Yes. What is the answer? What is the answer here? This answer can be taken, then 51 is divided by 2 as a binary number. As a binary number. As a binary number. You need to write this as a binary number. How can you write this as a binary number? Yes. Yes, yes, I could see your answers, right? You are sending your answers. That's nice. Divided by 2. Then in 51, how many 2 times? 50 upon 2 is 25. 51 upon 2 is 25. 25, then 2 times 25 is 50, then the remainder is 1. Again, 25 is divided by 2. 25 upon 2. 25 upon 2. 25 upon 2 is, 12. 2 times 12, 24. The remainder is 1. So here 1. Again, 12 is divided by 2. 12 upon 2 is 6. The remainder is 0. 6 upon 2 is 3. Remainder is 0. Again, 2 can be divided by 3 can be divided by 2. 3 upon 2 is 1. Remainder is 1. Okay, I could see your answer. Then 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. Yeah, that's your answer. Okay, this answer is okay. 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. Yeah, this is the answer. 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. Base is 2. This is the answer. I do think that you've taken the answer of this one. Okay, you written 51 as a binary number. This number has given, the base of this 51 is 10. Okay, if you want to write this one, if you want to write 35 as a binary number, then you need to divide this by 2. Okay, the given number is every time it divides by 2. So as to get the given base 10, write it as a binary number. It's divided by 2. Okay, if you have got issues, questions, you need to send me your questions, right? I do think that you understood this third question as well. The fourth question is, you have to add this one, this values 1, 1, 0, 1. The base is 2. Here 1, 1, 1. The base is 2. What is the answer here? I could remember that we've done this this lesson clearly. Can you remember, before starting this one, I need to remember you these relations. 1 plus 1 is, we don't write that 2, 1, 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. 0 plus 0 is 0. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is, what is this? 1 plus 1 plus 1 is, 1, 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is, 1, 0, 0. Okay? Yes, 1, 0, 1, 0. Yes. 1, 0, 0. Okay. You should know these relations to be taken the answer of this question properly. Okay? So, yes. Now, what's the answer of this one? Yes, you have to add down. 1 plus 1 is 1, 0. Remainder is 1. This one and this one is 1 plus 1 is 1, 0. So here 1 plus 1 plus 1 is, 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 1, 1. The remainder is 1. 1 plus 1 is 1, 0. This is the answer. Okay. Then 1 plus 1 plus 1, you know that 1, 1. Okay. 1 plus 1, 1, 0. Again, 1, 0 plus 1, 1, 1. So here 1 plus 1, 1, 0. Remainder is 1. This one and this one, 1 plus 1, 1, 0. Remainder is 1. So this one and this one, the remaining one and this one, 1 plus 1, 1, 0. Then here 3 ones, you could see 1 plus 1 plus 1, 1, 0. Then that remaining one and this one, 1 plus 1, 1, 0. The base should be 2. Base is 2. Okay, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. Are you okay this one? I think that you understood this one as well. We could start the fifth question as well. Yeah, another question of binary numbers. Yes. Yes. Next one. Fifth question. This is the fifth question. 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. Next one. 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. The base is 2. The base is 2. Yes. What is the answer of this one? If you not received the paper, you could get the paper. The link of this paper, done paper, has entered into the description box. Okay, if you want, you could get the paper. Okay, what is the answer? Yeah, that's nice. Okay, I expect from you to write the answers if you taken already the answers. That's okay. That's nice. Yes, you need to add. You have to add. 1 plus 1 is 1 plus 1 is 1 0. The remainder is 1. 1 plus 1 is 1 0. Then this remaining 1 and 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 0 1. 0 plus 0 0, 1 plus 1 1 0. That remaining 1 could add with this 1. Then 1 plus 1 is 1 0. 1 1 2 3. Yeah, 1 0 0. Yeah, I could see your answers. Have you taken this answer? Yes. 1 plus 1 1 0. 1 plus 1 1 0. Yes. Yes, this is the answer. 1 0 0 0 1 0 0. The base should be 2. This is the answer. The base should be 2. Okay. Should I explain this to you more? If you want, you could send me a message. You could use a chat box. Okay. You didn't get it. You mean you couldn't understand this? Okay. You mean you can't understand? You know, this means 1 plus 1 1 0. That then 1 0 remainder is 1. This the remaining 1 and this 1 1 plus 1 1 0. Then the remainder is 1. That one is written here. So 0 plus 0 0. Then 1 plus 1 1 0. Then the remaining one is added to this one. Then 1 plus 1 1 0. Is this the answer? Is it okay with that? It's subtraction. Seriously? I've written it as addition. Okay. I could subtract. No worries. Thanks a lot. I could subtract. If it's needed to subtract, then I could subtract. No worries, really. Okay. Just now I took the. Actually, I was unable to get the printout of this paper, so I just now few minutes ago I went through this paper. So it's okay. I will subtract. No worries. Then let's subtract. 1 minus 1 0, 1 0 minus 1 1 minus 0, 1 minus 1 0, 1 0 minus 1 1. Sorry, 1 minus 1 0, 1 0 minus 1, 0 minus 0 0, 0 minus 0 0, 1 minus 1 0. So this is the answer. Are you okay? Yeah. You taken this one. This is the answer. Yes. Okay. 1 0 0 1 0. Okay, let's do the if you got an issue, you need to send me a message. The sixth question is, in the sixth question it has given that 1/5 of a certain amount of money is 300 rupees. 1/5 of a certain amount of money is 300 rupees. 1/5 is 300 rupees. You have to find the 1/5 is 300 rupees. You need to find the full amount. 1/5. You just to imagine this, just to think that 1 2 3 4 5. That amount is, the given amount is divided into 5 parts. Then this is 1/5. 1/5 of it is 300 rupees. 1/5 is 300 rupees. 1/5 is 300 rupees. Then you need to find the full amount. How can you calculate the full amount? Yes, have you taken the full amount? Then here 300 rupees, here 300 rupees, here 300 rupees, here also 300 rupees. Then 300 times. What is 300 times? Yes, 1500. Really, yes, that's the answer. 300 plus 300 plus 300 plus 300 plus 300. But this method does not use. We do not use this method. We are able to get the reciprocal of. We could get the reciprocal of 1/5. 300. we multiply that 300 into 5 and divided by 1. Okay, this is the way. So yeah, then 300 times 5, 5 into 0, 0, 5 into 0, 0, 5 times 15. This is the answer. Answer is 1,500 rupees. This is the answer. Is it okay? So I do think that you taken this answer as well. Yes. Okay, that's nice. Let's do the this segment is very important, right? You know, percentages part of grade 9. Okay. Again, I will mention you that if you not taken this paper, done paper right now, you could download it. You could it has send the link of this paper, done paper, into the description box. If you want, you could download it. Okay. The seventh question. How can you do the seventh question? In the if you taken the answer of the seventh question, please send your answer into the chat box of the seventh question, please. If you taken it, please. Have you done the seventh question? Yes. 945 rupees. How about others? How about others? How about others? You say that 945 rupees. The question is, you know, right now I don't say that answer is okay or not. Okay. The buying price of a certain article of a certain article is 900 rupees. Buying price is 900 rupees. Buying price is 900 rupees. You know, when it comes to vendors, okay, into the, you know, when it comes to people who are selling goods, okay, that's their job, okay, that's their career. So that their expectation is earning profits. You know about it, okay. So as to earn money, then he that's his expectation, okay. Then he earns money, so profits. So he brings a certain article for 900 rupees. A certain article he brings for 900 rupees, and it sells for, that article is sold for, then obtaining, so as to obtain 5%. 5% of that article. I mean, his expectation of getting profit as 5%. 5%. 5%. 5%. Just imagine that if he has bought buying price of this article, buying price, if the buying price is 100 rupees, then the selling price should be, then if he has bought this article for 100 rupees, then he sells that article for 105 rupees. This is the idea. If he has bought, then, you know, he expects 5 rupees as the you know, profit. Okay, then he has bought this article for 900 rupees. 900 rupees. He has bought this article for 900 rupees. 900 rupees. So you know, then how do we need to get the profit he expects. There are two methods of doing this question. I could see the answer. Yeah, 945, 945. Yeah, from every 100 rupees he expects 5 rupees. If he then from 100 rupees he expects 5 rupees, from 900 rupees, then this is the profit he expects. Profit. Then this 0 and this 0, this 0 and this 0 can be cancelled out. So 5 times 9 is 45. This is the amount that this is the profit that he expects. Okay, this is the profit. This is the first method. Yeah, this is okay. Okay, this method also okay, no worries. So this is the expected profit. Then the selling price of that article should be 900 plus 45. So 900 plus 45 means then 945 is the answer. Okay, I saw your answers. Okay, well done. I could teach you the second method as well. Shall I do that this way? Would you like to know about the second method? Tell me. Shall you use the second method as well so as to improve your knowledge of maths? This is okay, okay? Then class teacher will give you marks when you use this method. No worries. I could teach you the second method as well. Yes. What is the second method? I will teach you that method as well. If you are okay with this method, no worries. But I do think that I should teach you the second method as well. Okay? You know, if he brings buying price of the article, buying price, I will mention that buying price is the selling price. Then if he brings the article for 100 rupees, then he sells that article for 105 rupees. 105 rupees. If the buying price is 100 rupees, he sells the article for 105 rupees. He sells the article for 105 rupees. So buying price is 900 rupees. Then this is the selling price. We take the selling price as X. This is the second method. Now, okay. So then this can be simplified. Then X over 105. X over 105 equals to 900 over 100. This 0 and this 0 can be simplified. This one and this one, this one and this one as well. Then after that, X over, I will write this fraction here, X over 105 equals to 9 over 1. How can we simplify this fraction right now? We could cross multiply. X into 1 is X, 105 into 9. Now the answer is 945. We have taken the previous answer. Now sometimes you think that this way of simplifying this sum is not easy. No, really this is easy. I taught you then in the lesson of direct proportions the way of getting up this relation here. Really, okay. So anyway, if you know the previous method, the first method, it's okay, no worries. I suggest you to write down this method as well. Okay, we will be discussing this method as well in the future. Yes. Let's do the eighth question. What is the eighth question? Yeah. Yeah. What is the answer of the eighth question? If you taken it answer, please send it to me. If you done this, if you done the eighth question, please send the answer, please. Use the chat box, please. I didn't see it, the answer right now. 7th question, sorry, 8th question, please. You send the answer that 1350. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, great. Let's see whether your answer is okay or not. Let's see. Okay. $1,350. Yeah, the mark price of an article is 100 rupees. No, sorry, 1,500 rupees. Buying price is 1,500 rupees. According to the question, it says that the buying price of a certain article is 1,500 rupees, and what happens here? Then when it sells, when that article is sold, it gives a discount of 10%. It gives a discount of 10%. Okay, it gives us a discount of 10% when that article is sold. That's the question. What we have to do here, then the buying price, the buying price of that article is 1,500. After giving that mentioned discount, you need to find the selling price of the article. Okay, you need to find the selling price of the article. How can you find the selling price? So when he sells that article, he gives a discount. I mean, the merchant, the one who sells the article, he gives 10% discount for the buyer. Then how do you get this? I saw your answer, right? Let's check your answer. Then when the mark price is 100, then the selling price should be, I will use this method, right? Should be 90. The reason, if the mark price is 100, if the mark price is 100, then the selling price is 90. You know, 100 minus 10, which is 90. It has mentioned that the percentage profit, given discount that 10%. So 100 minus 10 is 90. So if the mark price is 100, then the selling price is 90. If the mark price is 1,500, we could get the selling price as X. Okay, we could get the selling price as X. Okay, Buddha. This is the proper way that you need to know. Please bear in mind. You how to know this way of simplifying. Really, especially when you go for higher grades. Then when you use this way, you could do any question really. So the answer. Let's get the answer. X over 90,500. The answer that we are going to take should be less than 1,500. The answer that we are going to take should be less than 1,500. So X over 90 equals to 1,500 over 100. X over 90 equals to 1,500 over 100. Yes. Let's get the answer. This 0 and this 0, this 0 and this 0 can be cancelled out. After that, you know, X over 90 equals to 15. Now here 1, let's cross multiply. Then X into 1 is X. Then here 90 into 15. 90 into 15 is, yes, is it able to get the answer? I mean, you mentioned the answer here. That, you know, you mentioned the answer that 1,300, 1,350. Are we able to get the same answer? 1,350. Let's check it. You know, 15 into 9, 9 times 5, 45. Remained is 4. 9 times 1, 9 plus 4, 13. Yeah, really, yes. 1,350 is the answer. Your answer is okay. Nice. Great. Wow. Okay. 1,350. This is the answer. Really, yes. Anyway, if you not use this way, no worries. But so that you can know this method, I mentioned this method. Let's do the 8th question. Let's do the 9th question. Yes. What is the 9th question? We will be discussing today the first paper, only the first paper. Okay. Really, when it comes to this question, there is an issue with this question. Really. Okay. Then it has that question is not clear. You know, according to the question, the length is just the length twice of the breadth. The length is twice of the breadth. I mean, this type of one. This is the 9th question. The length is twice than the breadth. So if this is breadth is x, so the length should be 2x. That's the idea. We have been given the length of this one. No, yeah. We have been given the breadth. Breadth has given that 3 cm. Breadth has in the question, please check the question. breadth is 3 cm. Please take the question. If the breadth is 3 cm, then you need to get you could get the length. Length should be 6 cm. You know, 3 times 2 is 6. What we have to do, the question is, you need to get an expression for the perimeter, for the area of this rectangle. You need to get an expression for the area of this rectangle. Expression, expression. Don't want to simplify it. Expression, which means then you could get that 6 cm times 3 cm. This is the answer. Don't want to simplify this. This is the answer. You need to get an expression. The answer is the area of this rectangle should be 18 cm squared. Don't want to get it. Don't want to get it. Get an expression. Get an expression. Okay. Yes. Let's do the 10th question. I want to know your answer. Take an answer for the 10th question. Please send me your answer for the 10th question. If you've done it, please send me your answer for the 10th question, please. Yes. What is the answer for the 10th question? The 10th question is 1 over 5 plus 3 over 10 of 1 over 5. 1 over 5. This is the 10th question. You know, to be taken the answer of this fraction, you need to write this, you need to follow the BODMAS system. BODMAS system. First, you need to remove the brackets. You need to simplify. You have to simplify. Yeah, 1 over 10. You mentioned that 1 over 10. Let's check your answer, please. Let's wait. Right? I could see your answer that you mentioned that 1 over 10. Then here 10, here 5. You need to equal denominator so that you can get an equal value. 1 over what? Okay, let's see. You need to multiply both denominator and the numerator by 2. So 1 into 2 is 2. 5 into 2 is 10, and plus 3 over 10. Now here we've taken then 2 over 10, 3 over 10. Of means multiplication. So into 1 over 5. Yes, into 1 over 5. Now 2 over 10 plus 3 over 10. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 over 10 into 1 over 5. 5 over 10 into 1 over 5. So yeah, then this 5 and this 5 can be cancelled out. Then the answer can be taken as 1 into 1 is 1. Then 10 into 1 is 10. This is the answer. Well done, huh? I'm giving you a star mark if you taken the proper answer. Great. Well done. Okay. Let's calculate let's simplify the other sum as well. Really, that sum is wrong. The other question is wrong, which is the given question in the paper. That's wrong. I will give you the correct question. You know that's an A-shop papers, right? That paper, I'm not the one who made that paper, sent paper. Okay, so you know about it. So no worries about it. If you are doing, if you are given that type of questions at the test, then most probably you know that your class teacher or the one who is in the examination hall, he or she tells you to correct the sums. Okay, otherwise you are awarded the full marks. Anyway, I will give you the correct question here. Then that should be changed. This question should be changed. This is the 11th question. X squared, 11th question. X squared, that question cannot be simplified. Plus 10x minus 2x minus 20. This is the question. Try to factorize this sum, please. Try to factorize. I will give you few seconds. Try to factorize this sum, please. X squared plus 10x minus 20x, 2x minus 20. Yes. Factorize. Yes. What are the factors, Buddha? What are the factors? Okay, we could get x as the common factor here. So x into x plus 10, here minus 2 into, minus into minus plus 20 upon 2 is, 10. Then x plus 10 into x minus 2 are the factors. X minus x plus 10 into x minus 2 are the factors. Okay, let's do the other sum, factorize 12 question. Let's do the 12th question. Yeah. 12th question. 12th question. Yes. 1 minus 100y squared. 1 minus 100y squared. You know, difference of two squares. If you want, just to listen to me, please. Now, if it is x squared minus y squared, this can be simplified as then x plus y into x minus y. Then this knowledge can be applied to be taken the factors of this expression. Yes, try to do it, please. 1 minus 100 y squared, 1 minus 100 y squared, 1 minus 100 y squared. Yes, how do you get the factors of this expression? Yes, 1 equals to 1 squared. Try to get the answer. Yes, I could see your answer here. No, I mean this one, Pruta. 12th one. No, I mean in the previous question, that question was wrong really, but you are unable to get the answer for the 11th one properly. So I changed the question. I gave you the proper question. Now we are in the 12th question. I mean this one. What are the factors? I wish to know your factors. Please send me your answers, factors. Yes. What are the factors? Yes. This 1 can be written as 1 squared. 100 can be written as 10 squared. Here y squared. So 1 squared. Then this whole segment can be written as 10y whole squared. This whole segment we are able to write as 10y whole squared. After that, this we are able to get the factors that 1 plus 10y into 1 minus 10y. These are the factors. Okay. Yeah, really. I could see your answer. Nice. Well done, huh? Good job. Good. Okay, Buddha. So you how to expect these types of questions are really if you know these questions, getting marks for the test is easy. Really. Next question is 13th question. Up to the 20th question we will do today. The first paper we are doing today. The other one, 13th question. Find the value of 1/5 of 1 kg. 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 How can you get 1/5 of 1 kg? Yes, have you taken it? Then firstly you need to convert this kg into grams. You are able to get the answer in kilograms as well, but That's not the expected answer by the teacher. Yes, convert this kg into grams first. Yes, kg into grams. Yes, kg into grams. 1/5 into 1 kg means you know that 1000 grams. 1 kg equals to 1000 grams. So 1/5 into, then we've written it. So we could divide this 100 of 1000 of 1/5. So 1 time 200 times. So 1 into 200 is, yeah, really good, huh? Then I could see you are taken answers. 200 grams. Nice. We are able to get the answer of the 14th question as well. Let's do the 14th question as well. Yep. Then 14th one is 14th question. M equals to minus half. M equals to minus half. The expression that you need to use to get the answer 5 minus 8m. 5 minus 8m. Yes. How do we get the answer? Substitute that m equals minus half. M equals minus half. 5 minus 8 into minus half. Don't forget it. You have to write this minus half in the bracket. In the bracket. Okay. I like to know your answer, right? If you taken it, please send it to me. Yes. Here minus, here minus. Okay. Then here minus 8 into minus half, really. Minus 8 into minus half. Listen to me, huh? If you can listen to me, learning these sums will be very easy for you, right? If you can listen to me properly, yeah? Then here minus, here minus. You know, minus into minus plus. Multiplication here, minus into minus plus. 1 time, 4 times. Then 4 into 1 is 4. Then here also, then minus into minus. Here 5, minus into minus plus. 1 time, 4 times. Plus 4. So 5 plus 4 is 9. This is the answer. Yes, I could see you answer. Well done. Great job. Wow. Good done. Well done. Putala, have you taken the answers of the values of unknown terms x and y? Yes. What are the values of x and y? Yes. Answers of x and y? Yes. Values of x and y? Tell me. Values of x and y? I like to know. Yes, x and y. This is the 15th question. This is the given, diagram. Here is a parallelogram. All these lines are, yeah, really, these lines are parallel. You know, this is x, this is 70 or 70. We could get the value of x first. What is the value of x? Yes, you know, these lines are parallel. Therefore, you know, can you remember a lead angles or allied angles? Right? Angle. So C shape. So sum of these two angles should be equal to 180 degrees. Sum of these two angles should be equal to 180 degrees. So therefore, then here already it has given that this is 70, this is x. So x plus 70 equals to 180 degrees. X plus 70 degrees equals to 180 degrees. Mention in the brackets that lead angles. Okay, angles. Now this is an equation. Answer is the value of x is yes, really yes. Then you could subtract plus 70 minus 70. minus 70, here as well 70. So the value of x is 110 degrees. This is the value of x, 110 degrees. What is the value of y? Here y. Y also can be taken, you know. I'll remove this segment. Y also can be taken considering these two, you know, x and x we've taken that already 110. This is 110 degrees. This is y. Okay, this is 110, this is y. Then y plus, considering that y plus 110 equals to 180 degrees. Y plus 110 equals to 180 degrees. Y plus 110 equals to 180 degrees. Now the value of y can be taken that. How can you get the value of y? Yes, tell me. That is 70 degrees. Okay. Y plus 110 degrees equals to 180 degrees. Allied angles mentioned. Then from both sides you could subtract 110 from this side as well. Then y equals to 70 degrees. Okay, let's do the 16 question. We have more 5 questions. What is the 16 question? There it is, 16 question. 16 question. I'll take it. Wait. 16 question is, yeah. You have to get the value of A and B. What are the values of A and B? Yes, values of A and B. This type of one. Values of A and B. This line parallel to this line. This line parallel to this line. And this should be 60. It has given that this is 60. Then here B. First, let's get the value of B here. Okay. What is the value of B? Yes. C shape or Z shape. I mean this one. This one. This angle equal to this angle. You know, these lines are parallel. Therefore, B equals to 60 degrees. The reason, what is the reason for this? Alternate angles. Okay, alternate angles. Mention that B equals 60. Alternate angles. The here 50. This is B. Considering this triangle, you know, we are able to find the value of this angle. This angle. You know, from 180, we could subtract these two angles. You know that the sum, these two angles. You know that the sum of interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Sum of interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. You know, then 180 minus 60 plus 50, 110, 70 degrees. This angle equals to 70 degrees. So if this is 70, then this should be equal to 70. You know, B equals to 70 degrees. Vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. Opposite angles. I'm not teaching you these sums, right? Already you know, you have taught, you have been taught these stuff on maths. Okay, you know about these things already. So the 17th question, yeah, 17th question is you need to multiply. If you want to check this video, then I'm going to upload this video after doing this class right now. Then you could watch this video again. I did not remove this. So x minus 2 into x plus 3. So let's multiply x into x plus 3 into minus 2 into x plus 3. Yes, x into x is x squared. Here plus into plus plus. X into 3 is 3x. Minus into plus minus 2 into x 2x. Minus into plus minus 2 times is 6. So x squared. 3x minus 2x is 1x for x. These terms cannot be simplified more. The reason these are unknown terms. unlike terms. Okay, x squared plus 1x minus 6. Yes, I think that you've taken the answer of this one as well. 18th question. 18th question. Here is a very easy question. 18th question. You know, when it is sold a certain vehicle or a car, then just imagine that's a car. Then for the one who helps to sell that car is paid 60,000 rupees as the brokerage. Brokerage. Then the car is sold for 3 million rupees. 3 million rupees. Okay, car is sold for 3 million rupees. 3 million rupees. 3 million rupees. 3 million rupees. Car is sold for 3 million rupees. A person helps to sell this car. For that person is paid. He is given, for that person is given, 60,000 rupees as the brokerage. Brokerage. He helps to sell this car. Because of that reason, he is paid a certain amount of money. You need to find the commission, percentage of commission. Then 60,000 over 3 million into 100%. When it is found a commission, you know that, then it multiplies using 100%. So now simplify. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Those zeros can be simplified. Then 6 over 3. 6 over 3 means, 2%. This is the answer. Okay. So the 19th question, this sum can be done easily. Percentage of the, yeah, really yes. You mentioned you have taken answer. Nice. Well done. 19th question, this type of one, you have to find the capacity of this container in milliliters. We have been given the length at 10 cm, the breadth at 8 cm, the height at 5 cm. Let's calculate the capacity. You need to multiply all these values, length into breadth into height. So let's multiply. Then 10 cm into 8 cm into 5 cm. 10 into 8, 80 times 5. 400 cubic centimeters. But we need to get the answer in 1 cubic centimeter equals to 1 milliliter. You know about this relation. We need to get the answer in milliliters. Therefore, in milliliters. So 400 cubic centimeters equals to 400 milliliters. This is the answer. Last question. You have to get the common square number. Yeah, considering between, you need to consider the digits between 1 and 50. 1 and 50. Considering the digits found between 1 and 50, you need to consider triangular numbers and the square numbers. Considering triangular numbers and square numbers, you have to find the common number, common value. That taken value should be a triangular number as well as a square number. Have you taken this answer? I wish to know your answer. Have you got this answer? Yes. Have you taken the answer for the 20th question? Yes. What is this common value? Yes. Answer for the 20th question? Yes. What is the answer of the 20th question? Yes. Triangular numbers between 1 and 25, 1 and these are triangular numbers. Okay, 1, 3, 6. If you can't remember, just learn 10, 15, 15, 21. After that, 28, 36, 45. These are triangular numbers. And remember triangular numbers. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 14, and so on. These are triangular numbers. You know, the other types of square numbers between 1 and 50, 1, 4, 9, 16 square numbers. You know that 1 into 1, 1, 2 times 2, 4, 3 times 3, 9, 4 times 4, 16. These are square numbers. 25, 36, 49, and so on, between 1 and 50. So the other square number is 64. That cannot be taken, right? This value cannot be taken, you know, that's more than 50. We need to consider the digits found between 1 and 50. So can you see a common value here? Yes, what should be the common value? That taken value should be a triangular number, as well as that taken value should be a square number. Yes, what's that number that we could consider? Yes, common one. What should be the answer? Yeah, really, you mentioned the answer. Really, the answer should be 36. This is the answer, 36. Just in vain, I cannot tell you the answer instantly that the answer is 36. But anyway, I have to teach you. So because of that, I've written these digits. So right now we've done the first paper of this paper, first part of this paper. So what I'm telling you, next day as well, next day also, we will be doing a paper like this. Continuously we will be doing a paper in this sense, in this way. You know, when you do papers, you could improve your knowledge of maths. Again and again, you have to do papers. So we'll do a paper in the near future as well. Okay, now I'm going to stop the class. Okay, thanks a lot, Tom. Okay.